Good afternoon to one and all. First, I introduce myself. I am S. Masudan Rao, and now I am working as a chemistry faculty in Sri Chaitanya Educational Institute at Srikakulam District from AP State since last 4 years. Okay, this is myself. Today, I would like to explain very simple topic, that is, what is the oxidation number and how to explain the oxidation number of atom of element in common molecules and special molecules. So, first of all, what is oxidation number? What is oxidation number? What is oxidation number? Oxidation number means the charge present on atom of element when it is in combination. That is called as oxidation number. Oxidation number means the charge present on atom of element when it is in the combination. For example, hydrochloric acid, HCl. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. In hydrochloric acid, hydrogen and chlorine both are combines to each other by a single covalent bond. Okay. So, in between these two, chlorine is more electronegative element when compared to hydrogen. That's why here negative charge acquires on chlorine, here positive charge acquires on hydrogen. So, -1 plus 1. So the charges are developed on the atoms of element when those elements are present in the combination. Okay. So oxidation numbers are positive, negative, 0, fractional values. Okay. So if element is present in the free state, if element is present in the free state, that means there is no combination. In this case, oxidation number of element is 0. If element is present in the free state, that means water. There is no combination state. Then the oxidation number of element is 0. And again, the total oxidation number of molecule is also 0. In two cases, oxidation numbers of elements is 0. In first case, element is present in the free state, then the oxidation state of element is 0. And second case, the total oxidation number of a molecule is also 0. For example, H2O molecule. The total oxidation number of H2O molecule is 0. How? Let me explain. example H2O. Now I find out the total oxidation number of the molecule. Okay, now here H2O molecule, one H2O molecule is there. In H2O molecule, two hydrogen atoms are there, 2 and 2. Oxidation state of hydrogen. Oxidation state of hydrogen here +1. Plus, how many oxygens are there? 1. So 1. Oxidation state of oxygen -2 is equal to 0. So 2 into +1, 2. 1 into -2, -2 is equal to 0. 2 cancel. So 0 equal to 0. So oxidation state of or oxidation number of molecule means the total oxidation number of molecule is 0. Not only H2O, that we calculate CH4 also. CH4 also. In CH4, the total oxidation number of molecule is 0. Okay. So this is the simply what is the oxidation number. But here charges are developed. For example, HCl molecule. Okay. Here +1, here -1. So these charges are how to developed on the atom of element in a molecule. These charges are +1 and -1. These charges are how to developed on the atom of element in a molecule. Now I explain. Okay, by the two ways. First one, by the two ways. Okay, so first one, in case of electrovalent compounds. First one, in case of electrovalent compounds. For example, NaCl. Here, NaCl. NaCl is the example of electrovalent compound. NaCl is the example of electrovalent compound. In NaCl, this is the metal. Sodium is the metal and chlorine is the non-metal. Okay. In NaCl, positive charge acquired on sodium, negative charge acquired on chlorine. So the charges are developed by the plus and negative. The charges are developed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. From one atom to another atom. These charges are developed by the transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. The transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom is what? Sodium loses one electron. Chlorine gains one electron. Sodium loses one electron. That losing of electron gains by the chlorine. That's why -1 negative charge acquires on chlorine plus 1 acquires on sodium. Okay. So here charges are developed. Here charges are present on atom of element by the transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. Here charges are developed on the atom of element by the transfer of by the transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. Means one electron transfer from sodium to chlorine. Means sodium loses one electron. That's why positive charge acquires on sodium atom. Chlorine gains one electron. That's why negative charge acquires on chlorine. Okay. So first one in case of electrovalent compounds, and second one in case of covalent components. Second one in case of covalent molecules or compound. Covalent molecules or compounds. In case of covalent molecules, an example of covalent molecule is HCl. Okay, so hydrogen non-metal, chlorine also non-metal. Okay, so this is the one bond, single bond. So in this bond, 2 electrons are present. In this bond, 2 electrons are present. These electrons are called as bonded electrons. Okay, bonded electrons. Here in HCl molecule, chlorine is the more electronegative element and compared to hydrogen. That's why the bonded electrons attract towards chlorine. That's why here negative charge acquires on chlorine. Here positive charge acquires on hydrogen. Okay, understood? HCl is a covalent molecule. Hydrogen and chlorine both are non-metals. Okay, chlorine is the more electronegative element and compared to hydrogen. That's why these bonded electrons attract towards the chlorine. That's why negative charge present on the chlorine atom, positive charge present on the hydrogen atom. So by these two ways, the charges are developed on the atom of element. Okay, and again general points. But in a common molecules means but in homomolecules the oxidation number of elements is 0. But in homomolecules, the oxidation number of elements is 0. Homomolecules means what? Homomolecules means H2, Cl2, O2, O2 and P4S8. Like these. These molecules are called as homomolecules. In homomolecules, the oxidation state or oxidation number of element is 0. Why? Because due to electronegativity due to electronegativity due to electro difference is 0. Okay, so for example H2, the structure of H2, what? H and H. This hydrogen, this is the hydrogen, both are have same electronegativity, Both are hydrogen elements. These two hydrogen elements have same electronegativity. That's why there is no developed charges on the atom of element. These are similar elements. These similar elements are having same electronegativity. That's why there is no charges are developed on the atom of element. That's why in homomolecules the oxidation number of element is always 0. Okay, understood? Next, oxygen, another common point. Okay. Another common point. Oxygen generally oxygen oxidation number generally oxygen oxidation number how much number is -2. Generally oxygen oxidation number is -2, but in some cases like first one, peroxides means O2 minus means peroxides means H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, okay, and sodium peroxide Na2O2. In these cases, in peroxide molecules, oxygen -1, and the second point, superoxides like KO2. In KO2 or in superoxide molecules, the oxygen state of or the oxidation number is -1/2. Okay, and again third point is in oxyfluorides means O2F2. Oxyfluorides means O2F2. In O2F2, oxygen state is next another molecule OF. Okay, here +1. Only here +2. These are special molecules. Generally, oxygen oxidation state or number is -2, but in some cases, like peroxides -1, like superoxides -1/2, like oxyfluorides in O2F2 +1, OF2 +2. How to explain these oxidation numbers in special molecules based on the structure of the molecule? So, like this, H2O2. The structure of H2O2 like this. Okay, so here this is the peroxy bond. Okay, this is the peroxy bond. In between these two oxygen, there is no developed charges on the oxygen atom. Okay, between these two, there is no developed on the charges on oxygen atom. Why? Because due to peroxy bond. Next one, between these two, hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is a more electronegative element when compared to hydrogen. That's why here +1, here -1. Like here also, here -1, here +1. Okay. Similarly, Na2O2 also. And the next one, superoxide, KO2 also. KO2 in superoxide also the oxygen state of oxygen is explained based on the KO2 structure. And similarly oxyfluorides. Oxyfluorides means O2F. O2F2 means F O O F. Okay, here fluorine is more electronegative element. Here fluorine is more electronegative element when compared to oxygen. That's why here -1, here +1. Okay, here also, here -1, here +1. But between these two, oxygen and oxygen, there is no developed charges on the oxygen element because this bond is peroxy bond. And similarly O2F2, similarly OF2, OF2. The structure of OF2 is like here, F O F. Okay, here there is no peroxy bond. Okay, so listen, fluorine is more electronegative element when compared to oxygen. So between these two elements, here -1, here +1. Okay, next one. Between these two, here -1, another one +1. +1, adding +2. Okay. So generally oxygen state or number is -2, but in some cases peroxide, superoxides, oxyfluorides, -1, minus of +1, +2. These oxidation numbers of oxygen element explained by the based on the structure of the molecule, like here H2O2, O2F2 and OF. Okay. So next one, another common point. If hydrogen is combined with sodium, if hydrogen is combined with fluoride, okay, hydrogen